Hi, Stuart Barn here, and in this video we are looking at minorising the major pentatonic scale. I think the easiest way to explain this is to look at the opposite first, which we touched on in a previous video, and that is to take the minor pentatonic scale and give it a kind of a major twist. Here is an A major chord in the background, and I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to bend this note here, which is the flat 3 in the A minor pentatonic scale, shape 1 in this case, and listen to the sound. So you could hear what I'm doing. I'm bending from this note, tension note, up to this note, or close to it. It doesn't have to be exact, but I was pretty close to that. Now that note is in the chord. So I'm taking my minor tension note and bending it up to a nice chord tone. So that is something that most people do once they've spent a bit of time using the minor pentatonic scale. But you can do the same, or rather the opposite, with the major pentatonic. So here is, again, the A chord. I'll just quickly play through the A major pentatonic. So using shape 1 here. Now, in this case, it is this note that I'm going to be bending. So this is a second, the one above a root note in the scale. As I always say, if you don't know what a second is, don't worry too much about it. For now, just think of it as a name. And I'm going to bend it to this note, which is in the minor pentatonic scale. So I am minorising, making my relatively major sounding note sound like a minor by bending it. And that is a nice bluesy sound. Have a listen. So there it is. I was using my major pentatonic scale to create a sound from the minor. Now there is another note that works well. That was a second. You can also use this, which is the 6th. Bending a semitone will get you another of the minor pentatonic notes. In this case, it's a flat 7. Here it is. So that is what I'm calling minorising the major pentatonic scale. Obviously you can do it in other scales as well. In some shapes it's more comfortable than others. Try and use all 5 if you can. The links are all in the notes below. And get in your practice regime, clock up time. I hope that video is helpful. Please give a thumbs up and click subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.